Do you wish to live a long and healthy life? With the right habits, anyone can add not just years, but healthy, fulfilling time to their lives. The desire to live a long life has been one of the many human goals since prehistoric times. Science has learned some tricks, so today we will share 6 tips that can help you increase your lifespan. Welcome to the Vitality List. Tip 1: Cold showers. Cold plunges have become quite a trend. You likely have already seen people jumping into icy cold water in reels and videos online. In fact, it is quite common for individuals trained in the military or the Navy to use cold water to incorporate discipline and alertness to their routines. They are not wrong. Studies show that both our physical and mental health benefit of cold showers. Among other things, cold showers can prevent you from catching diseases by strengthening your immune system. Also, exposure to cold temperatures can increase our metabolism, which can lead to burning more calories, and potentially even helping with weight loss. If you're new to cold showers, here's the trick. Take it slow and remember that it's important to ease yourself into it. You can, for example, begin with your normal warm shower and end it with anything between 15 and 30 seconds of cold water, gradually increasing the duration over time. This way, your body will adapt to the cold without overwhelming your system or making it a stressful experience. You should aim to increase the cold exposure by a few seconds, little by little, until you can stay under cold water for up to 5 minutes. With a strong immune system and a focused mind, you will be less likely to deteriorate your health and can expect to live longer and healthier. Tip 2: A minimalistic lifestyle. Let me start by saying this is an easy tip that can be followed by every single person who is watching this video right now. We all can agree that our workloads and responsibilities can cause a lot of stress. That pressure can negatively impact our health and shouldn't be neglected. A minimalist lifestyle not only helps reorganize your busy schedule, but also lets your mind relax, doing the exact opposite of an overburdened lifestyle. Who wouldn't like to achieve a peaceful routine? It doesn't require much effort to start implementing a minimalistic lifestyle. All you need to do is remember 3 simple rules: analyze, simplify, and organize. First, be honest with yourself and analyze your routine, your purchases, your habits, and your likes and dislikes. One way to do this is to keep a journal where you could note those things down. Then look for things that you can simplify and make easier for yourself. You can rethink your work-life balance or how you plan your meals, for example. Then, you can organize by taking practical steps that you help you simplify the things you want to change. One example is your wardrobe. You can simplify it by reorganizing your purchases and investing in timeless, durable clothing that will last longer than just a season. In other words, instead of buying trendy or low-cost items that wear out quickly and pile up in your closet, you can focus on pieces that will stay with you for a long time. You can do the same with your whole routine. Go back to your notes and set a priority list so that you don't compromise on essentials. But allow yourself to lead a minimalistic lifestyle that will lead to a more intentional and fulfilling life. Tip 3: Watch your gut health. Anyone who wishes to live longer should be mindful of their gut health. Your gastrointestinal tract contains trillions of microbiomes made of bacteria that help you break down complex food and absorb nutrients. Sounds simple, but it's so important for your health. In fact, any disruption or problem with your microbiomes can lead to digestive irregularities like constipation, diarrhea, and bowel problems. No one wants to deal with that. On the other hand, good gut health goes way beyond digestion. It impacts both your physical and mental health. A study shows, for example, that 95% of the serotonin in our bodies is produced directly by our gut. To keep a good gut health, you should eat a diverse and rich fiber diet from fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. This way, you will feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut and support your immune system. You can also have probiotics. Those products contain live beneficial bacteria that support gut balance and help your digestive system. When planning your meals, keep in mind that you want to live long and healthy and never compromise your gut health. Tip 4: Red light therapy. The perception of light among us may just be what allows us to see the stuff around us, but it is way beyond it. Although this may sound weird, wavelengths of light can impact our tissues on different levels. Light can reach deeper into our bodies, and our tissues have the capabilities to absorb it. Photobiomodulation involves exposing the body to specific wavelengths of red and near-infrared light. This non-invasive treatment penetrates the skin and stimulates cellular processes that can improve physical health, reduce inflammation, and enhance recovery, likely leading to a longer and healthier life. Tip 5. Breath control. Did you know breathing techniques can help control stress and anxiety? We have a full video about it, which you can check out. The fact is, most people have never heard about oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to cellular aging and inflammation, therefore affecting how long someone is expected to live. Having a controlled breath is a good tool to mitigate this problem and increase quality of life. Techniques like coherent breathing or 4-7-8 breathing can positively affect a person's heart rate, supporting cellular health. Incorporating breathing techniques to your routine can reduce blood pressure, improve heart and lung function, and enhance both the quality and length of your life. Tip 6. Power naps. We all know that a good sleep is as necessary as eating healthy if you are expecting to live a long life. Still, many people can't actually get an adequate amount of sleep at night due to their schedules and busy work life. That is precisely when power naps come into the picture, providing you a quick boost of energy, mental clarity, and alertness. A power nap can last anything between 15 and 20 minutes depending on the person and how much free time you have. But it can make a huge difference. A cohort study done with a Greek population showed that those who napped regularly had a 37% lower risk of death from coronary heart disease than those who did not nap. More than the heart function, taking time to have power naps can also strengthen our immune systems, regulate and control our emotions, and improve our cognitive function. All of those things together will help you increase your lifespan so you can live a long and healthy life. Implementing new habits to our lives can often be challenging. We're all used to doing things a certain way, and stepping out of that comfort zone can take some effort at first. However, when we put things into perspective, it becomes easier to find motivation and drive to make necessary changes. As you think about the tips we shared in this video, consider how improving your quality of life will help you live longer and healthier. Which tip you liked the most? Tell us why in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe to the Vitality List. We'll see you next time.